We are at Dhruv's house and he's also a KTM adventure rider. Just a quick review from him about the Pinlock earplugs. He just went on a ride and we'll hear from him next. So Dhruv, first why don't you show what the Pinlock is all about?
Basic earplugs, two sizes. One is the big size and the other is a smaller size. Sound and the air to circulate.
Yeah.
I used it on the ride to from Mumbai to Igatpuri yesterday, and I found it exceptionally good, pleasant, calming effect when you're riding.
Can you wear it and show us how it is plugged in?
In the larger one.
You are wearing the larger one.
Yeah. So basically, you just set it in. That's it. Basically, don't shove it in. It makes a huge difference from the sound perspective.
Now you went on a ride to Igatpuri.
Yeah.
Using this and wearing which helmet?
I was wearing this XOR helmet.
Dual Sport. Okay.
Dual Sport.
In terms of noise reduction, in terms of oncoming traffic, in terms of your Bluetooth or intercom that you're using, how can you explain those three portions of it?
Yeah. So my experience is in terms of the sound, it reduced the sound drastically. But it still didn't cut it off completely. You could still hear, the wind. You could still hear the cars passing by you. Used it with my Bluetooth. It did reduce the Bluetooth sound levels in the helmet. So I would not be using these. Then we keep the volume on the Bluetooth at about 75%. But I had to crank it up to like the full 100% for me to get decent.
And in spite of that, you could hear the oncoming traffic.
Yeah. You can hear the oncoming traffic. You can get a very very light wind noise as well. So you are still basically alert on the road.
Now, in terms of riding, how did it make a difference?
Really makes you very, very calm. You're a lot more focused as a rider on the road. You're not distracted with your own bike noise, your RPM sounds, and so on and so forth. So you're a much smoother rider, is what I felt after I rode the bike with these compared to what I was doing before I had these. So I can make a difference I can see a difference in my riding style.
So that was Dhruv riding a KTM 390 Adventure, and he's having an upcoming ride to. Should I tell people or would you post photographs?
Tell, I don't post photographs.
So that's at Puducherry. So he has got this Pinlock earplugs, and now he's got the Cubo Bike Cam Pro, which is on charge right now. We've fitted the clamp here, and he's put the arc visor shield protector for his helmet visor. So that's Dhruv. All the very best, Dhruv.
Thank you.
Explore Unlimited. Ride safe.
Catch up after the ride.